Hi everyone, it is Sparkle, and I'm back with a haul from Dollar General. Okay. All right, so I have a haul from Dollar General. Just some home essential items. Okay, so I got some paper towels. This one, actually, I got two. Oh, here's the other one. Okay, so I got the Sparkle 4-pack of paper towels, and I got the 2-pack of paper towels, also Sparkle. They didn't have the jumbo pack like I like. They didn't have it. So this was all that they had. So I got that. And I got some toilet tissue. What is this? 16 mega rolls. This was 11. Was it 11? I think it was like 11.50, something like that. Okay, got that. And I think the paper towels was $3.50 for the two, and I think this was like 5 something. So got that. Let's see. Okay, so Dollar General, they have a dollar aisle, you know, where everything on this aisle is $1. So this was $1. Some storage bags, you get 16. Okay, got that. There's some storage bags. I got 2 of the hefty storage slider bags. This one you only get 7, but they were only $1. So you get 7 in each one. Okay, and these were on the dollar aisle. I got 2 packs of the paper plates. This is a 10 count. So I like the shape of them. Really, really cute. You know, like if I fix, I guess like a sandwich or some chips, something like that. Some, you know, some cookies. But that right there. Okay, I got some aluminum foil. This was $4 for the aluminum foil. And I got some paper plates. This one, you get 28. Get 28. This is the heavy duty. I think this was like $3.50. I think. And then I got the Dixie Ultra plates. This one you get 20. Okay. And look, I only got this because I'm doing the colors, you know, my spring colors are the blue. And I don't know. I just thought this was cute to get. Okay. And also, on the dollar aisle, this is some, what is this? The Power of Bleach, Corlin, Corlin aromas. Yeah, got that. This was $1. I've used this before. And I got a 3-pack of the Free Breeze plugins. This one is, what is this scent? Is it After the Rain? Because it's the one I bought last time. I think this is the scent. You get 3 of them. The plug-in refills. This was $15. And I think if I would have went to Family Dollar, the 3-pack, it would have been, I think, like maybe $11. Would have been just a little cheaper. But I didn't feel like going to different stores. So, you know, then I got my Dawn Platinum. I got this. I think this was it $4? I believe. I think. Okay. And on their dollar aisle, they have some carpet freshener for $1. I got 2. Okay. And the scent is Hawaiian Bay Breeze. So these were $1 each. And then I got me some fabric softener. These were $1.75. I was looking for the big pack, the jumbo pack. That's what I usually get, but they didn't have it. So I just bought 2 of these. You get 36 sheets in here. Okay, got that. And now y'all know I love me some Odo Band. So I got some Odo Band. The Odo Band is it was like $3 and something. So I got the Odo Band. Okay, always use this. And then I got some Borax laundry booster and multi-purpose cleaner. It's all natural. This was $6.50. I think it was like $6.50. So, and you can use this in your washing machine. You can use it for cleaning. It's for all washing machines. Okay. And I got a little home decor. So this is a vase that I got for $10. Dollar General. Let me let y'all get a close up. Here it is. $10. Glass vase. Yep. So those are my finds. Well, I say this was a find. But the rest of the stuff, I always buy that for my home. And I did go by my storage unit and grabbed a few things. So I guess I can put it in this video. But I did grab some things out my storage unit. So let me show y'all what I got. Let me show y'all. Okay, so let me show y'all what I got out of my storage. Hold on. Grab some things. I was like, let me go through my stuff and, see what I could put together before I go out and buy anything, So, okay, so the curtains, y'all remember I was telling y'all I had the Rodeo Home curtain panels that I got about 4 years ago from TJ Maxx. These are it. Yep. Let me move this. These are it. And it's only 2 panels. Look at that. They're velvet. And they are straighten them out. So being that I only have, 2 panels, then I'm going to hang these up in the living room. Yep, I'm going to hang them up in the living room. They're, what is it, 96 yeah, 54 by 96. So these are going to go in the living room. So I bought these long time ago from TJ Maxx. And it don't even seem like it's been that long, y'all. It's been that long. So I'm going to hang these up. I'm going to do a video on these, hanging them up. I don't know. I might do a video hanging them up. I don't know yet. Okay, so for the dining room, I'll show y'all the other panels. Now the other panels I'm about to show y'all, I showed them, like I said, it's been a long time. I think it was back in 2020. And I never got to use the panels, right? And they're from TJ Maxx. They're from TJ Maxx. And they remind me so much of my curtains that I got from Z Gallery, the gray ones. Like that's what it, puts me in mind of. Here they go. See, they came from TJ Maxx. I just never used them. Look at that. So I got three sets, and I think I have another set, if I'm not mistaken. I think I do. But I was going to say these are going to go in the dining room. They're going to go in here. But this is the thing. They're they're 38 in width, but they're 84 in length. You see what I mean? So I'm like, goodness. And I don't want to buy any more curtains. So yeah, I'm gonna have to roll with these. But I'm just gonna have to attach. See, they're blue, the velvet and sheer. So what I'm gonna have to do is, to make them longer, I guess I'll go to what is it, Joann's Fabric, and pick up some fabric and just attach it to the bottom, just to get it, just to make it long enough. Because I really don't want to purchase any curtain panels, when I have some, and I could just try to make adjustments to make it work. So yeah, these are going to go in here. They're going to go in here. And okay, so I got this out. I'm going to put this on my dresser. This is a light gold. It matches that candle holder that I got from Burlington. Okay. So I was like, let me get this out. And I could put like my little makeup brushes, lip pencils, or something in here. Okay. And I got out this accent rug because I'm like, do it match my bathroom? Because I'm going to decorate my bathroom for the spring. And we're going to see if this matches with the stuff that I have. Now, I don't think I ever used this accent rug. Did this come from Walmart? Because it says Maples Rugs. So this stuff. Let me move these curtains. So I'm gonna see if it matches with the stuff that I already had from my bathroom. And if it matches, then we'll use it. And that way I don't have to go out and buy anything. So I had to make sure we were still recording. Get this dust. This stuff been in my storage. But it was packed away, but I don't know. Okay, what else did I get? Okay, so I got this canvas out. I think this, I don't know if this came from Burlington, but I figured, you know, I was like, let me get this out. Maybe I can hang it up in the kitchen. Yeah, I think this is where it's from. It's all this. Goodness. Yeah, so I don't know, but that's my stuff that I got out the storage. Uh yeah, that's it. So I'll come back. I might come back later because I want to hang up those curtains in the living room. Okay, I almost forgot. Um, I had got something else out my storage. Almost forgot that. But before I show y'all that, let me show you. Let me open up these blinds a little bit. Show you how well the curtain panels go well with the pillows. You see? So they're going to look good in here. They really are. And I'll be changing out like the what is it? The zebra print and the yellow, because I have some other, you know, pillows that I could swap them out for. But for now, it's going to stay like this. But I got these out my storage. I did these, it's been a long time, when I hung these up in the bathroom. I did it, it was like maybe about 4 years ago. Everything was 4 years ago. But anyway, so this frame here, Walmart. You can find these at Walmart. I think I paid at that time, I think it was like $16, something like that. I think it's not that much money, but this is plastic. I wish it was glass, but it's plastic. And what I did at that time when I did my bathroom video, I used placemats. I put placemats in here. So that's an idea y'all can do, you know, but I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put something else in here. But I don't know, I like this frame. It's a gold, like an antique gold, traditional style. Like I really love this. And I was trying to think if I want to leave it this color or if I want to spray paint it silver, you know, I'm not sure. Because I'm like, I can always go to Walmart and purchase another frame, you know. But the price, y'all may have changed. Because like I said, it's been a long time. And y'all know things have gone up. Prices have went up. But yeah, so you can hang it up, you know, the vertical, or you could do it horizontal. I think I used it horizontal, had them both like this. Hold on. It's in one of my bathroom videos. You know, I did it like that. It was stacked over top of the toilet and stuff. But yeah, because I had almost, look, I was like, I almost forgot to show y'all that. But that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed my Dollar General haul. The things that I got out of my storage. Hope y'all enjoyed that. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.